In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable/fix microphone in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully open before moving on, since all of the settings we need are inside the browser itself. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This will open the main Chrome menu where you can access a variety of browser options and controls. From that list, click Settings. This takes you to the area where Chrome manages privacy, permissions, and website behavior. After you are in Settings, look to the menu on the left side and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for how Chrome handles your data and how websites are allowed to interact with your device. If your microphone is not working in Chrome, this is one of the most important places to check. Next, click Site Settings. This page lets you manage permissions for things like location, camera, notifications, and microphone access. Scroll down until you reach the Permissions section, then click Microphone. This is where Chrome controls whether websites can request access to your microphone and which input device is being used. On the microphone settings page, make sure the option is set so sites are allowed to ask to use your microphone. If this setting is turned off, websites will not be able to request microphone access, which can prevent voice recording, online calls, or speech features from working correctly in Chrome. Turning this on gives websites permission to ask first, so you stay in control of which sites can actually use the microphone. If you are trying to fix microphone issues, it is also helpful to double-check that you are looking at the correct microphone settings page and that the permission is enabled before testing again on your website or web app. In some cases, a page may need to be refreshed after changing the setting, so Chrome can apply the update properly. Once that setting is enabled, Chrome should be ready to allow microphone access when a website asks for it. This can resolve common issues where the microphone seems blocked or unavailable inside the browser. That covers everything you need to know.